All right, so let's jump in and do a complete demo of Friend Connector and all the stuff you can do with it. So first off, you can go right to your suggested friends list, and whenever you're on your suggested friends list, all you gotta do is click on Friend Connector and then just basically go in and set if you want to filter by how many mutual friends that you have with somebody. So for example, if I want to set, hey, look, I only want to add friends that have at least 200 mutual friends, then I can just run Friend Connector and you can see it's going to start its process. It's going to start automatically adding friends for me that have at least 200 mutual friends. So this one quick and easy way that you can use Friend Connector is just go to your suggested friends list and add friends from your suggested friend list. Another way that you can do it is you can find an influencer. Let's say this guy is an influencer, and let's say he has a public friends list, which he doesn't. So let's go over here and look at this guy, and let's see, okay, maybe he's an influencer, and look, he's got a public friends list. So he's already got a public friends list here. So he hasn't hidden his friends list and made it private. He's got a public friends list. So literally I can go in and I can just actually run Friend Connector right here. And Friend Connector is going to go in and actually do its job. It's going to go in and find where he has friends that I'm not mutual friends with, and Friend Connector is going to actually go in and start adding friends up as well here. All right. So right now it's just actually searching through all the different mutual friends that we have. Everybody I'm already connected with, I'm getting rid of those people. Once it gets to a point where it starts finding people that I'm not already connected with, here we go, right there. Now it has actually started its automated process to go in and add friends. All right. Now you have the options where you can add friends every 9 to 11 seconds, 15 seconds, every 30 seconds, every 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. We recommend using the 5-minute option. If you use the 5-minute option, then you're not going to get in trouble from Facebook by adding friends too quickly. So again, you can go to anybody's actual friends list. If you find an influencer, you know, that's actually out there influencing your target avatar, you can just go and actually connect with all their friends who are also your target avatar. So you can connect with all their friends. All right. Another thing that you can do is, for example, you can go to a Facebook group. So let's say you find a Facebook group and your target avatar, your target customer avatar is hanging out inside that group. You can just go right here to the members tab, and inside the members tab, once you get to the members tab, you can essentially do the exact same thing. You can just come in and actually run Friend Connector. You can actually come in and actually run Friend Connector. Let's go in and actually change this, and we'll run Friend Connector. And you'll see Friend Connector is going to go in and actually start adding people. Now, if you want to skip people, you can see Friend Connector is already actually giving you a number. So if you want to skip people, let's say I want to skip all the way down here to number 13. You can just come in here and you can resume from your last search and just go to number 13 and hit run. Friend Connector is going to actually go in and start adding those people as well. So let's say you want to search only for realtors. All right. So let's look for real estate. All right, let's run Friend Connector. And what Friend Connector is going to do is it's just going to go in and search, and look, we found right here, local real estate agent. So Friend Connector has actually found somebody who's targeted themselves as a local real estate agent, and it is only going to add those people for you. So now it allows you to go in and actually add very targeted friends. Now, there's a lot of other cool things that you can do with Friend Connector, a lot of other options that you can do. For example, once you have so many friend requests out there, you're only allowed to have 1,000 pending friend requests. If you need to delete those, Friend Connector will allow you to go in and delete those. We got a lot of awesome, crazy new features coming soon. We are supported by a full software engineering firm that supports Friend Connector and develops Friend Connector. So we're not some little crazy Chrome extension built by some little affiliate marketer or some other little marketer where they hired a freelancer from freelance.com for $20, and then they built some little Chrome extension, and they're like, oh my God, this is the best thing in the world. It's the best thing in the world. But they don't support it. They don't develop it. They don't fix any issues with it. They don't give you chat support or anything like that. Like I said, we're powered by a full software engineering firm, and we do have monkeys. So there is a quick demo of Friend Connector and how it works for you.